Hello everyone, I hope that you must have been doing great in your life nowadays. And basically in this particular video I am going to share with you 4 best applications that would definitely help you in order to improve your English, guys. So the number 1 application is that Hello application. This is actually a very significant application meant for those students who really wants to enhance their communication skills in English. And basically this application is designed for all the students who are belong to rural areas, urban areas. And actually through this application you can connect around the world. Like you can talk in any country, no matter you're in India or Bangladesh or Indonesia or China, wherever you are sitting. But by using this particular application you can easily communicate, you can easily collaborate with those people who are sitting in anywhere. Okay, and this application is absolutely free of cost for students, and just you have to create your account, you have to sign in with Google account and you will immediately find your partner. Just you have to start this application and you have to start your communication with all the people, and this is very easy to use this application, guys. Okay. And the second application is that Andy. Andy is actually very interesting application because there is a robot who will communicate with you, who will always notice you to chat with you. It is actually a similarly like WhatsApp. The way you chat on WhatsApp, and this is also similarly you can chat on this particular application, that is Andy. And the robot will teach you so many phrases, English sentences, English new vocabularies that will definitely enhance you in order to improving your English, guys. So just you have to chat with that robot and your writing skills will definitely improve a lot, guys. Okay. And the third application is one of my favorite, that is Cake application. And Cake application is getting popular around the world because there are a lot of native tutors available over there, and it is actually a similarly YouTube. The way you search on YouTube and you find the video content easily, so this is similar like that. So there are so many teachers, there are so many tutors who are really highly qualified and their English is really incredible. So you must download this application from Play Store, and this is very easy to use. Just you have to watch all the videos one by one, and there are so many solutions regarding English about in anything, about whatever you want to improve your words. For example, you are preparing for your examination, you are preparing for interview, you want to crack any particular like interview, then you will definitely find those videos the way you want to improve yourself. You can watch all the videos, guys, one by one, and all the small topics has been covered over there, guys, and you can learn so many things. And the teachers are really very innocent or very humble, and they will teach you very certain way and very easily way, so that students will be very familiar with those teachers very easily. Even I have been using this particular application for the last many years in order to improve my English, guys. So I would like to suggest you, I would like to recommend you must use this application, guys. And the fourth application is that Talk Now. Talk Now is also a similar like Hello application. This application just you can download from Play Store, and you can connect with all the people around the world, guys. And you can share your number, you can share your chats, you can share all the notices, you can share your writing skills, so that those another students who are sitting in another countries, they can correct your English and they can enhance your English as well. So there is a chatting option, there is a calling option, and this application is absolutely free. By using, you can improve your communication skill, you can connect so many people. If you want to increase your networking, you want to associate with all the people, you must download this particular application, guys, as soon as possible if you are really damn serious about your improving your English, guys. Because as we all know that English has become our crucial part of our life, and it is very important to become proficient on this particular skill, guys, as soon as possible. So these are the best application from my point of view, guys, and you must download this application from Play Store, and so that you can improve your English as well, like all the students have been improving their English, and there are millions of people who have already downloaded this particular application, guys. So I hope that you must have liked this video, and if you like this video, please share to your friends, so that they will also be able to learn English like you, guys. So thank you so much for watching my video, guys, and have a great day, and thank you so much, guys.